Whenever Kestrel V2 is installed, it needs to be calibrated for the first use. Open the eShooter app. Select Kestrel V2. Click the search Bluetooth device. The default password is 68. Please calibrate sensors after E2 installation will show up. Please turn selector to semi for calibration. When we hear a click, the battery needs to be replugged. Test the sensors. Safe, semi, auto. Then pull the trigger slowly. The app shows that all 5 sensors work normally. After the gear is installed correctly, it will be detected normally and the app displays the teeth. Once calibration completed, it means all sensors work well. Semi, auto. We can choose semi or auto for it. Let's pick semi for example. Click on semi. Next, we demonstrate the AOJ mode. Set semi to burst. Burst supports 3 to 10. When I choose the number is 3, semi default for 3 consecutive shots. Next, we demonstrate the AOJ mode. First, we need to set our selector to semi or auto. AOJ mode, press the trigger lightly for single shot. Pull the trigger to the end for continuous shot. Next, we'll demonstrate the binary mode. Change the AOJ mode to binary mode. Shoot one bullet when the trigger is pulled and one when it releases. Next, let's demonstrate the sniper mode. Change the binary to sniper mode. Sniper mode is a single shot. The trigger is fully pulled and shooting when the trigger is released. Next, we'll demonstrate the pre-cocking mode. Find pre-cocking mode in setting. Change off to on. The pre-cocking mode function is a function to increase the shooting speed by compressing the spring in advance. Pre-cocking mode has 3 levels: low level, mid level, high level. This is the low level, middle level, high level. Next, we demonstrate the ROF control. Adjust the gear to auto. At this point, the AEG will fire at the default normal rate of fire. If you feel that the rate of fire is too fast, you can adjust it in the app according to your preference. Open ROF Control. Select 50%. By changing ROF Control 50%, you can feel that the rate of fire is slowing down. Select 80%. By changing ROF Control 80%, you can feel a slower rate of fire. Select 100%. By changing ROF Control 100%, the shooting speed is completely reduced. We'll demonstrate the magazine mode 30 BBS. By default, magazine mode 30 BBS is off. You can still pull the trigger and fire without a magazine. We can do this by using Kestrel's 130 BBS physical button. After confirming that the physical button is working, we can turn on magazine mode 30 BBS in the app. When the AEG fires 30 rounds, the gun will stop fire. Next, we'll demonstrate this function. The AEG cannot fire without a magazine inserted. When we insert the magazine, the physical button detects that the magazine is inserted. Semi. Auto. After 30 rounds, the AEG will automatically stop firing. If you want to shoot again, you need to insert the magazine. We can select our own gearbox through the app. Default is standard. We can choose standard, high speed, DSG. After selecting the corresponding gear, we need to recalibrate the gear. To calibrate, we need to set the selector to semi. After clicking OK, we need to replug the battery again. Click on the search device. Check again if the selector is working properly. The gear setting and calibration is now complete. We can select the battery by battery protection. Select the corresponding label Alive battery for the AEG. After the section is completed, the app will show battery cell at 3 sections. Battery settings also include low battery warning. After selecting on, when our battery level is below 25%, Kestrel will automatically turn on the battery protection. And the AEG does not work. When we use our iOS device, we can set Kestrel via Siri. Open Shortcuts. Find the eShooter app. Add the function you want to set. We can set the semi-pass phrase to our liking. For example, change semi to yes. If we already have auto selected in the selector, we can use Siri voice control to change our selector position. Hey, Siri. Yes. You can see that the auto we just set has been changed to semi. Let's test it. At this point, auto has been changed. When we need to reset all functions, just turn the selector to safe. The reset will be done automatically after 8 seconds long trigger pull.